Ah. Hey guys, doing extras on Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. Extra step. Video starts now. Number 1. Oh, Amy's 2. Lucky. Well, Tails could have been 1, but kind of pity. What a pity that they made Tails number 2. Oh, good. Knuckles is 4. Because he's kind of useless. Knuckles is useless as always. Wait. You may trust Knuckles, but you don't trust Knuckles. He's useless. Oh, Sticks. I changed my mind about you since you... I changed my mind about Sticks. She's a real wildest. A wildest? Ah, defect. The bonehead. Wait. I said bonehead. Yeah, defect is a bonehead. Oh, Season 2 exclusives. Underwater Boom. I mean, look at how big and silly Knuckles is. Minions, the new class. Minions. Sorry, I said like that. Look at Eggman's new minions. Scorpion. Bug. Grasshopper. B. Looks impressive. Gotta say, Pig! Oh, Eggman. Eggman stole Sega made a scene putting the color changing the color of that bee in the show. Unbelievable. Ooh, Meekton and Balch. Very impressive. Ooh, he's in red, my favorite. Congratulations. Nice job, Sega. I wish you could do it more. Huh? It's base? Turn 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rangers. No. I was trying to sing Power Rangers in space for some reason. Set controls the outer space now. flying. What am I doing? Anyway, let's take a visit at Amy's house. See what she's got. We got basic hammer. Bronze hammer. Silver hammer. Gold. Radium hammer. Titanium hammer. Plantanium hammer. The stuff where we can keep store our junk parts. Stick Sparrow. Gotta admit, Sticks did a good job on her robot mode. Hey, we got enough junk parts for her. Looks like I beat the game before I even did my gameplay on this. Hey, for each phase I do, I should do a reward. Like, should I play Diego when I'm done phase 1? No. I mean, scratch that. Should I play Minecraft? I could play Minecraft as a reward for completing phase 1, so... Good night. I think Tails has a message for you all.